Hello, Pip Worlds creators. My name is Todd Crapper. I am the marketing and design manager for Third Eye Games, and I wanted to set up a couple of these little how-to tutorial videos for new creators using DriveThruRPG. Maybe you're a publisher like myself and you've created a few other products, but community content on DriveThruRPG is just a little bit different. There are a few less tools than there would be as a full-on publisher. However, there are still a lot of really good, effective options for content creators. So the main thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you go, once you log in, go under account. If you're a publisher, everything you want to use is in publish, but for us, we want to focus on our account. I'm going to scroll down here, and this little section right over here is all the tools that you're going to have for community content. So first thing I want to get into is how you are going to create your new title. And once it loads up, you're going to have to forgive me because I'm working with rural internet. All right, so first thing you want to do, these are all the different community content programs that are on here. And look at this down here. There's Pip Worlds. So we're going to go and click on that. Now, if you have an existing product that you've already used before, this is basically a template that you can use to apply it. I'm going to select it right now to kind of shortcut so we can fill in some of these fields in advance. This is a really handy tool. If you've done something before, it's going to carry it over and allow you to basically kind of shortcut and work your way through. Okay, that's not working, so we're just going to walk through. So here you'd be able to enter in the title, who the authors are, any of the artists. What'll also happen too is then they will then provide links. So these people, their other work can be discovered as well. Number of pages. Here is where you're going to be putting in the price. And then obviously you've got product page description. Now putting on images here, you're only able to use images if they already exist on DriveThruRPG. We are working on setting up a few little things to be able to kind of expand, make our pages pop a little more. But for the moment, you're basically just going to focus on text only. Be able to upload a cover image. Now, this is where these category assignments and these filters are really key for helping people find your product. So if it belongs to a certain product line, you'd want to be able to click on there. Those are nice little subcategories. And then here are all the filters based on whether or not it's a core rulebook or if it's an adventure, family gaming, anything else like that. Any of the other features such as rule set and everything are automatically filled in because it's through the Pip Worlds Community Content system. Here you'll be able to provide, like the PDF source, if there's any file securities that you want to put on there, set up the preview, so whether or not the in-page flipbook or a full-size PDF for them to download and look at. Your scheduled release date. If you want to apply a stock number, it is completely optional. You do not have to. Same goes with an ISBN. Sorting priority. This is basically, if you have a long list of products, the order that you want them to appear in. If you just default it to 0, the most recent one that you do will appear at the top of the list. And then here's a little purchase note so that whenever someone does buy it, that's something that they'll see when they receive the email that lets them download the product. And then here is the community content agreement that you have to verify, check to agree, and certify before you go and set up your new title. So then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you a few more tools in the next video.